it's Chantel with Wild Berry Quilting, and today I got 2 packages from Alum and Ink. I'm not sure why, but I'm excited to find out. So let's get into it. All right. Try and make sure that everything is pushed down enough to where I don't cut into it when I open this. Now, normally I just get one, and this is a once a month thing, and it's kind of like a subscription, but it is the rewards for the subscriber or for her Patreon. That's it, Patreon. But this time I got 2, so I'm excited to see what the extra one is. All right, so first I've got this little bonus. Ooh, I like that. That's beautiful. It is a sticker. She has such high quality stickers. They're really nice. I love that one. I think that one is going to end up on my sewing machine because that is awesome. And then this is the sticker that is part of the subscription or Patreon rewards. And this month it is a Coati. And he is so adorable. Look how stinking cute. Oh my gosh. I love the purple leaves behind him. And the pin, which is soon to become a needle minder, of course. Let's see. Ooh. Of course, it is also a Coati, and they match. Now, she does do these, you can get them in different tiers. You can either subscribe just for the sticker or just for the pin or for both. And ooh, how fun is this? I love it. And the leaves, those purple leaves are almost a little bit pink on the pin, which is cool. You know, I like that. All right, let's open up the second one and see what's inside there. All right. Make sure I got everything. Got a little, oops. Huh. Is it the same thing? I see a card in here. Look at that card. That is pretty. I think she got new ones. They've got butterflies on them. This is also a Coati sticker. One feels a little bit thicker than the other, maybe. Or maybe I'm imagining that. But I guess I got 2 Coati stickers this month. Thank you so much. I know my kids will snag one of these. So I'm not sure if that was an error or not, but I'm always grateful. Thank you. Thank you guys as well. Thank you for joining me. I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day. I will link her down below along with her Patreon page so that you can check that out as well. I hope you guys have a beautiful rest of your day. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I will see you guys again next time. Bye.